you can just walk to Dutch Hospital and Goldface and stuff like that. So we'll see what happens. Here's the way, I guess. Oh, so this is the Thank you. I can come from here too. Thank you. So that's the entrance if you're staying at Hilton. And this is the World Trade Center. So World Trade Center of Sri Lanka. And this one has also some food places in there. I actually been here one time, but we'll go here. So we'll go check out the World Trade Center. So the World Trade Center, we'll check this on before we go. There's nothing much in here. There's some banks and some shopping, I think. Asia Bank. Pretty much everything closed right now. Pretty nice, but it's only a bunch of shops and everything. I think everything is closed. Cakes and ඔගොල්ලෝ කීයද වහන්නේ මේක? වහන්නේ කීයද? අර වහනවා. Okay, so this is the menu. I'll come and do a video next time. You can slow down and watch later. Okay. So that way is the Kingsbury and Goldface. This Colombo City Hotel. Go right here. Videotaping in Sri Lanka still, it's a new thing for people, even though they see so many. So that's the Dutch hospital. So this one built at 1681 as an India company hospital for their officers and other people for their to get the doctors and everybody. And then there wasn't any history until 1980 to 1990. I think there was the police station. That's no pretty much any history. Now this was hit by the bomb blast at 1996 here. Was got damaged a lot, and then this was built in 2011, and now it's famous for the Ministry of Crafts. So that's why the people come. But I want to show there's many other things here other than Ministry of Crab, so I'll check that out too. There's Asian cuisine. Odell from something Odell, like a gift shop. So yeah guys, had this the music are playing, so see. Wow. Around $3,900 rupees. That's about I mean it's in dollars about $12, so no, almost $20. Tap house, and there was a spa. There's a spa salon. I mean, people come and sit here. You really have to learn how to cross the street from Colombo. Now we might have to go thanking. It's a cafe in Galadari. We'll walk there. See. And Goldfish Colombo. That's Goldfish right there. That's my favorite hotel. The best hotel I ever stayed in. The breakfast and everything, very good. The Kingsbury. I don't know how it is right now, but this was 2015. About 7 years ago. The hotel food is good, but I mean walk around and find other places, because you can call Pick Me and or any other ride service, and you can just go here. Especially here, this is Cafe 69,
64.
Cafe 64 at Galadari Hotel. That's Galadari right there. Let's see what they have. Hi. Oh, you just have this. You just have this stuff. And one other thing, don't expect the greatest customer service in Sri Lanka. If any other country you see more welcoming attitude, not in Sri Lanka. They are never here say hi, how are you, or thank you when you pay. The Sensal place I go to, the girl was on the phone. So that's Sri Lanka. That's don't get it personal, but that's how things are here. Customer service is not the best thing here. But that place, I thought they had more varieties than that. So there's no point of coming there. It's so funny that they think I'm a foreigner. And when I speak in Sinhala, the taxi driver just tried to get me to show around, saying this is downtown. So so those are the whole hotels. So I'm gonna conclude this video right now. Look around the Colombo. Disappointment food in Ministry of Crabs. I mean, really, the hotel food that we order at Hilton is for 2 people. It's cost less. You can get anything you want. It's cost less than one portion in Ministry of Crabs. So I mean, eat it if you want to, but it's not much have. So okay, so I'll meet in another vlog, and have a nice day, guys.